And if you have a like, comment, subscribe to Dare_423. Too cool. Here go my mozzarella sandwich. Got the mozzarella sauce on there already on the sandwich. We got the fries. We got the extra sauce on the side. I just want y'all to look at this sandwich from Burger King. Burger King, they trying to come up with their sandwiches, man. Y'all need to keep tapping in with Burger King, bro. Cause they sandwiches be on point. They be hitting, but you know they food be high. But they sandwiches be on point. So y'all just admire this sandwich. It's mozzarella.